Welcome to Logan Aluminum's Visitor Environmental Health and Safety Orientation. This orientation contains audio, so please adjust your speakers as needed or use headphones. This orientation will take approximately 10 minutes. We ask all visitors to sign in and receive a Logan Plant Identification Badge. We ask all visitors going into the manufacturing area to wear a visitor's vest for your safety and recognition when in the plant. Please return the Logan Plant Identification Badge and Visitor's Vest before leaving the facility. These procedures are for our visitors' safety and safe exit from the facility in case of an emergency situation and/or plant evacuation. Logan is a modern aluminum rolling mill. This facility is a joint venture by Tri-Arrows Aluminum Inc. and Novellus Inc. Your safety and health during this visit is of the utmost importance to us. The Logan Aluminum Incorporated policy is a statement used as a focus for the business's efforts relative to environmental health, safety, quality, and our work culture. Requests for a copy of the policy will be honored. Logan Aluminum will demonstrate continual improvement in our capabilities to create value for our associates, customers, and employees by maintaining leadership position in product quality, customer service, cost safety, and environmental performance. Through progressive management concepts and innovative use of technology, our physical assets, and human resources. This mission is achieved by operating our business consistent with the following vision statements. Demonstrate an increase in capability to operate injury-free and continually improve sustainability. Achieve leadership position within the industry in product quality, customer satisfaction, and process capabilities. Establish new industry paradigms and standard of equipment capability and performance. Aggressively manage operating costs to sustain competitive conversion cost advantage and contribute to associate business this profitability. And lead with a clear vision of the Logan team concept, with the result being an organization committed to operating excellence, continuous improvement, and innovation. The following guidelines must be followed when entering the Logan Aluminum manufacturing building. Logan-approved safety eyewear with side shields must be worn at all times inside the manufacturing area. Wire-framed glasses, regardless of safety rating, are not permitted in the manufacturing building unless they are covered with goggles that are available from Logan. Hearing protection is required at all times, with the exception of interior office spaces and other limited locations. Never touch processed metal. It may be hot. Walking outside marked egress aisles requires safety shoes. No open-toed shoes or high heels are allowed in the plant. Please remove all jewelry before entering plant. Rings are prohibited from the entire plant site. No loose clothing may be worn around any rotating equipment. No bottles, cans, aerosol products, or butane lighters are allowed within the secure perimeter of the plant facility. Taking photos or the use of any recording device is prohibited unless approved by a member of Logan Aluminum's management team. Before smoking, please inquire for proper smoking area from your sponsor. If you are going to be in the remelt or DC-4 units, your sponsor will provide the additional personal protective equipment required to enter these areas of the facility. This is one of the many cranes that you may encounter within the Logan facility. All cranes have right-of-way in this facility. You should always give these cranes the right-of-way due to the inability of the crane operator to see pedestrians. Never walk under a crane or walk close to a crane carrying a load. You may encounter automated guided vehicles while in the facility. These AGVs are equipped with numerous safety devices. However, all pedestrians should be aware when this equipment is in the area. Additionally, you may encounter fork trucks while in the facility. Fork trucks have the right-of-way in the facility. Pedestrians should yield to process mobile equipment at all times. Mobile equipment operators may not be able to see pedestrians at all times. Keep 15 feet separation between process mobile equipment and pedestrians. If someone needs to be within 15 feet of a process mobile equipment task, maintenance or otherwise, then a stop and think must be completed before approaching the process mobile equipment. The facility uses mobile buggies and bicycles to move personnel and equipment throughout the plant. Pedestrians should be watchful for these vehicles and yield to them at all times. Pedestrians should always use egress aisles when traveling throughout the plant. Egress aisles are outlined by yellow paint. Additionally, all traffic control signs, such as stop and yield signs located in the facility, should be adhered to. The facility has hundreds of trucks enter and leave the property during a 24-hour period. Be aware of truck traffic when outside the plant and when leaving the facility. If an emergency were to occur during your visit to the Logan facility, your sponsor will advise you of the appropriate actions for you to take. In the event of an emergency at Logan Aluminum, the visitor must remain with the Logan sponsor or escort should you, as a visitor, be involved in an accident, injury, or incident, safety, health, or environmental. Immediately contact a Logan employee for help and assistance or dial 911 on the telephone. In the course of your visit, you may also observe equipment, processes, or techniques that involve information that is confidential and proprietary to Logan Aluminum or its owners. As a condition of being allowed admittance to the Logan plant and by proceeding with your visit, you are agreeing 1. The equipment, processes, or techniques you may observe during your visit reflect confidential and proprietary information of Logan Aluminum or its owners, and 2. To make no use of any such confidential and proprietary information of Logan Aluminum or its owners, and to make no disclosure of such information to any third party. You're also agreeing to adhere to Logan's safety precautions and restrictions in order to ensure that your visit is safe. The Logan Visitor's Safety Orientation Training is valid for a period of 90 days from today. After 90 days, you will be asked to complete this training again. This concludes our visitor orientation training. We hope you have a safe and enjoyable visit.